uh, oh. Oh.
Buer, orstaken is koraken.
Well, hello, Eric. Kimrau.
Let me go for
On Ro Koper. Oh,
yeah. What did I say? Ha or ro?
oh, va.
Va. Oh, va. Right.
Yeah, yeah. So ro would be the question form on ro, and then va is the, I don't know what the statement form.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So, oh, okay. Yeah.
Mm.
Jane Bu Janif. It's an
Dinner.
no.
No.
What do you do? It's an opers.
Oh, yeah. So, hmm. Yeah, I don't know how to say that. I do comic books, graphic design. Yeah.
Well, good general. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Lordican, I don't know. How do you say that? Let's see. Lordican lay, Jellyfin lay graphic novels? Or graphic novel?
Sure. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Lauren.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Go. Okay. Your comic.
Okay.
Comic. Okay. Predicament. Okay. Okay. Whiteboard. Okay. Yeah. Right here. Right there. Your comic.
Okay. The comic book. Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Oh, what you need, you know.
Yeah.
Jay Shorsha, your comic. What kind of comic book?
Uh, yeah. Fantasy.
Let's see. Sargaskic.
Sargastic.
Sargaskic. Okay, I'll explain that. Let's see. So, novel graphic.
Ah, okay.
Okay. Graphic novel. Okay. Okay. Graphic novel. Okay. 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 Put that there. You're trying to get this okay. Or let's see, what did I say?
Fantasy.
Yeah, Sargaskic.
Sargastic.
That's a superhero.
Oh, okay.
Gaskic equals hero. Sar is intensifier.
Ah,
It
okay.
just means, it doesn't always literally mean super, but it means something more.
Okay.
Yeah. So sarcastic. So ambiogenic lure comic le sargastic.
So I would say ha.
Yeah, huh?
Okay.
Huh?
Ha. Ach. Ounce in medieval fantasy.
Oh, manouche. Me and ocean.
In an ocean. Okay.
Ocean, Middle Ages, medieval. Okay, okay.
But fantasy, I guess. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
He
Uh,
ounce in Portugal. Um, uh,
Fantas, fantas, Fantasuck.
okay.
Fantasy, okay. Fantasy, yeah.
Yeah. Ounce in Portugal.
Oh, uh, on okay.
On him. Okay.
Uh, Portugal, I think.
Okay. You don't the night. Okay.
Yeah, on Portugal.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. All right. Okay. Oh, Washington in Chinook.
Yeah.
Abel, Abel Portuguese, Aket.
Yeah. Ha or Akko or how many?
Yeah, Akam. Yeah.
Akko.
Akam.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Washington in Chinook. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Leva. Okay. Well, hello, Bo. Hello.
Hi,
Aye. Camera out.
Hello.
Guma,
Oh, Guma. Leva.
Turshik,
Jay.
Fiskama,
Fiskerma. Fiskerma.
Aye.
Camera how Jane.
Bobby Tring,
Oh, Velu Trang. Oh, yeah. That'd be too. Okay. Okay. I guess Matthew on show Kuchuk. Hello, Matthew.
Hello.
Hello. Okay. It's Ma de Geet. It's good to see you. It's Ma de Echen. Okay, it's good to see you. Okay. All right. Dleva. Okay.
too.
Well, Kesht Dunisumbi. Anybody have a question? Kesht no question? No? No?
Zeist,
Uh-huh. Kesht. Question. Yeah. Yeah. Question. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, kesht. And then plural be question. Okay. Yeah, question. Yeah, yeah. Okay, all right. Okay. All right, let me open up our what do we got? Okay. Lesson for the all right. Okay, what do we got? Okay. All right. Okay. Okay, let me see. Just give me a moment. Call up my share screen. Okay. All right. Okay, here we go. Okay, so you should be able to see the screen now,
Ah.
right? Okay, huh? Huh?
Ha,
Huh? Okay, clever. See. Oh, not that this affects you at all, but I feel compelled to share that this past week I have lost some material. I've been able to recover, but I accidentally, on a couple different occasions, I've saved different documents over the top of documents I want to save.
Oh, geez.
So if you understand what that means, it means I've lost the original, and I have, so yeah, and so and what's disturbing is I did it twice. So anyway, so
Geez.
yeah, so fortunately I was able to recover, but yeah, but it was a hairy few moments.
I bet.
Yeah, yeah. So anyway, so I've got to figure out a better system for myself to and then I know Microsoft Word used to have extensive backup, but I don't seem to be able to activate it now. So anyway, so I'm dealing with that. So just have to be, and part of it might be that working with what would you call it? Touchy documents, important documents late into the evening, when I'm tired, not so alert, and then I quickly try to shut everything down and so anyway, so that's my trials and tribulations for the week. So,
Yeah.
well,
yeah. If you ever sent them an email, you could search through email maybe.
Right. Yeah. Well, one of them did have to do with a lesson for my middle class, and that's exactly what I did.
Okay.
I was able to retrieve the document by because my mail server saves the sent documents, and so I retrieve it that way, but it's still not a happy feeling. So anyway.
No, yeah, definitely.
Okay. Charomi Tolacha. Anyway, Koyu. Okay, so anyway, so let's see. Okay, clàr na seachdainne. Schedule of the week. We'll do Failte. Then seachdainne na seachdainne. The proverb of the week and grammar na seachdainne. Okay, we'll do we're still working on the the simple past tense, and tonight we'll take a look at some of the irregular verbs. And we'll take a look at a little bit of a story. A sgìulachd na seachdainne, the three mucan beaga.
The three pigs, little pigs.
The three little pigs, yeah, and the three mucan beaga. Okay. And òran na seachdainne hamiski. Okay.
So beaga is an altered plural?
Yeah. And since you ask, I'll explain it. We haven't gotten into it, but what's the rule? The rule is, so I'll just come down here, okay. So the rule is, one syllable adjectives take a plus a when they modify a plural. Okay, so well, mucan beaga. Okay, mucan beaga, or what horses mora. See, mora, so the
all the little horses, yeah,
the big horses,
yeah,
mora, big. Okay,
I know, but the name of this song is All the Little Horses.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Mora.
It's a lullaby.
Okay, yeah. Well, that would be ekbeka. Ekbeka. Okay, ekbeka.
Okay.
You know, the little horses. Yeah. So, yeah. So these are one syllable adjectives. You know, so and it doesn't affect the adjectives that are more than one syllable. Okay. Okay. So, let's see. So you have ulevest, Beck, you know, a little monster, or ulevestian Becca. Okay, or little monsters. So, anyway, so
That's terrifying.
yeah. So anyway, but that's that's what's going on with Trimuk and Becca. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Well, let's get started. Okay. So, Gegener Bunachachgenkow. Okay. Gegener Bunachachgenkow. Okay. Okay. Is not made winning, reaping without loss. Okay. So gain is not made with loss, without loss. Okay. Literally. Okay. And then, here I have a picture of a little mouse with this crash helmet on going after a piece of cheese. So it's roughly equivalent to the English language saying no pain, no gain. Okay. Okay. Anyway, the Jenner. And then oh, I forgot the language notes. Okay, so the Jenner. Oh, what is that? That's the passive voice, future habitual. Okay, which means is not made on a regular basis or will not be made. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And that's a form that we've yet to get to. But anyway, just let you know what's going on with the Jenner. Okay. It comes from I'll make this little note, Jenner. It derives from what? The root word gen, to make, to do. Okay. Okay. So it derives from that. All right. So, okay. Anyway. All right. Okay. Okay. So grammar na shekina, the past tense regular verbs. Okay. All right. So I make a note here, halfway humorously. Gaelic does the learner and the speaker one favor. It presents us with a limited number of irregular verbs. Okay, so, and again, just to remind us, the regular verb in English is the one that you add an ed to form the past tense, like walk, walked, play, played. Those are regular. Okay, so because if you're given a new word and asked to make a sentence out of it, you know how to make the past tense, right? Okay. As opposed to irregular verbs, which vary in unpredictable ways. So a learner cannot tell you what the past tense of see is, or the past tense of run, or the past tense of think, and other 200 odd irregular verbs in English. Now, as we've gone through in Gaelic, the regular verb, it makes the past tense in a very simple way. You simply lanite the root. So brish becomes vrish. Ear becomes year. Okay, you know, because the DH is the equivalent of the lenition for the verb that begins with a vowel. Okay, kluch becomes chluch. Okay, you have the lenition there. Okay, and so on and so forth. Okay, so those are easy, right? I mean, so for the most part, the past tense of almost all the verbs in Gaelic. Okay, but there are some verbs that are irregular. But the good news is there's only 10 of them. So whereas in English there's something like 200, and they continue to confound us. Even native English speakers sometimes get them wrong. But in Gaelic there's only 10. Okay, so in this lesson we're going to learn 4. Okay. All right. So, and the irregular verbs for the week are the verbs for go, come, see, hear, and do.
Aren't those 5?
Yeah. 5 irregular verbs. Okay.
Half of them.
Yeah, half of them. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. And we've encountered these words in their verbal noun form, like go would be hamiadol, I'm going. Come would be ha-a-achian, he is coming. Okay. So these are the verbal nouns, and the verbal noun sometimes seems to be connected with the root, and sometimes not. So haie fechen, she sees a dog. Haie fechen ku. Haie de chluinchen kill, they hear music. Haie gin of cake, he's making a cake. Okay, so these are the verbal nouns. Okay, and the verbal nouns that we'll be working with this week are right here in this table. So rock means go. The verbal noun is adol, hami adol. The past tense is chai. So go ahead and say that, chai.
Hi.
Chai, okay. And the question form is anjech. Anjech.
Check.
And the past negative would be chajech. Chajech, yeah, okay. So you say, there'd be no way that you'd be able to guess that. That's what we mean by irregular, okay? Okay. So cluin is the root for hear, okay? Hearing would be a chluinchen. A chluinchen, okay? The past tense would be hula. Hula. The question form would be ankula.
Ankula.
And the past negative would be chachula.
Ahula.
Chachula, okay? Okay. So the hic is the root for come. The verbal noun would be achian.
Achian.
Okay. Past tense would be hanek.
Hanek.
The question form would be antonic.
Antonic.
And then the negative would be hatan.
Hatan.
Okay, hatonic. Okay. So the root for see would be fek.
Beck.
The verbal noun would be afechen.
Becken.
The past tense would be hunik.
Hunik.
And then the question form goes back close to the noun amphaka.
Amphaka.
Amphaka, okay? And the past negative would be that lenited would be hanaka.
Hanaka.
Hanaka, okay? And then note here, amphaka.
Amphaka.
Because of the F. the bowl of fluffy mashed potatoes. Okay, it takes an M because you begin with an F. Okay, so Jen,
Jen,
to do or to make. Okay, a Jennifer,
a Jennifer,
making. How many a Jennifer cake? I'm making cake. Rain,
Rain,
rain me cake. Okay, Ando rain.
Andre,
And did did you make on Dorenu cake? Or sometimes drain with E apostrophe. So the R verbs very often contract. Okay, so instead of saying on do rain, very often people say on drain. Okay, and then chato rain, did not do, did not make, or hot drain,
Rain.
Okay, all right, okay, okay, all right. So, examples of uses. I'll bring that in. Okay, rain me.
Rain me,
Okay, I did make, I did or I made. Okay, chato rain me.
I didn't do, or I didn't make.
Yeah, I didn't do, I didn't make. Okay, Andrenu.
Andrenu, do you make?
Did you make or do? Nachtorenu.
Noctureno,
Did
not
you
do,
not?
do not.
Yeah. Okay. Nachtorenu on cake. Didn't you make the cake? Something like that. Okay. Okay. Hula too.
Hula too,
You heard.
heard.
Ha hula too.
Hawk hula too,
You didn't hear. On kula too.
did you hear?
Did you hear? Nach kula too.
Did you not?
Did you not hear? Yeah, yeah. And the thing to remember with the nach, and I'm not emphasizing it here, is very often the nach is used in Gaelic as an emphasis. Okay, and I'm going to go back up to my notepad page. Where did I put that? Right here. Okay, so, okay. Oh, let's see. I'm gonna. Okay, right here. Okay. Nachtu rain u. I'm on cake. I must have cake on my mind. Nachtu rain u cake ma. Actually, cake va. Didn't you make a good cake? Okay, but it's not a question. It can't nach do rain u cake va. It could be a question or an exclamation. You see what I'm saying? So, so the sentence that begins with a nach, you kind of have to interpret the context. Okay.
So would it be, is it kind of exclaiming that it's a really good cake in front of everybody?
Yeah, right here. Yeah, right here. That would be an exclamation that you made a very good cake.
Right.
Okay? And that's more common in Gaelic than it is in English. Well, didn't you make a good cake? Would almost be sarcastic in English, I think. It's not that common an expression. Well, didn't you do well on? Didn't you do well? Yeah, it's not that common an expression in English anymore, I think. But in Gaelic, it's very, Nachtorenu ma. Okay. Didn't you do well? As an expression, as an exclamation, as an emphatic. Or Nachtorein u guma. Okay. Didn't you do well? You see, so it could be also.
So is it like an acknowledgement then? Like, isn't it a wonderful cake so that other people hear that you're praising somebody, even though it's negative?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it's kind of satiristic, but it's a way of acknowledging to people that you did a great job.
Right. Yeah. You know, nach el a cake ma. You know, isn't the cake good? You know, nach el a cake ma. Okay. So like you say, that's an emphatic way to say it. It's a much more emphatic than saying ha a cake ma. Again, that the cake is good. You know, nach el a cake ma. You know, isn't it good? Okay. Anyway, yeah. So just making that little note here. Okay. All right. Okay. Where are we? Okay. Okay. So Jaime, I went. Chai. Hajech me. I didn't go. Hajech me. I didn't go. On Jehu.
Did you go?
Yeah. Did you go or nach Jehu? Didn't you go?
Didn't you go?
Yeah. And here, because of the verb attached, my guess would be that this would be more often used as a question. I'm struggling to come up with an emphatic, though. Yeah.
Wouldn't it be like if you're watching Monk and he does that so that he can sort of make it that he knows the person is lying?
Yeah.
Like in a detective novel?
Yeah, sure. Yeah. What didn't you? Yeah. What? Yeah. Well, but it's not asking. It's
Yeah, it's emphatic.
Yeah, emphatic. Okay.
Yeah, it's like exposing somebody to something you already know.
Yeah.
That's the kind of talking that they do.
Yeah. Okay. Very good. Yeah. Like that.
Okay.
Yeah. But again, it could be used both ways. Okay.
Okay.
Chuniku, you saw chunik. Chunik. Okay. You saw. Now, sometimes you'll see this as chuna. Okay. That in speech and sometimes even in writing, people take off or drop the the chunik. Okay, and they just say chuna. In fact, one of the songs that we sing sometimes, chunami na pishigan,
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chuna. Okay. Hanaka you didn't see Hanaka yeah. You didn't see, okay. Hanaka. Amfaka did you see? Amfaka, okay. Or Nachacha didn't you see? Okay. Or Hirscht me, I said, okay. Hatterscht me, I didn't say. Or Anturstu, did you say? Anturst and Nachturstu, didn't you say? Okay. All right. And let's see, do I have, was that 5, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, okay. And I'm going to make a little note here. Why Hatonic and Haturst, okay, and not Hatohonic. Why doesn't it follow this pattern, Hatohonic and Hatohurst? Okay. All right. So just a little something, just a little note about something that happens with the pronunciation, and the pronunciation shifts into grammar. I once had a Gaelic instructor tell me that and Gaelic sound is sometimes more important than grammar. than the rules of grammar. Okay. And what happens here is what happened historically is, and so originally you did have hatohanic. Okay. But, from what we saw from contractions, that became hata. I don't even know how to say that, but you see, you have the little contraction right there. But you know that the honic, the th disappears, right? And it becomes something like autoonic, which becomes adonic, which becomes hatonic. Okay. Well, you see that? And the same thing with terst. Well, in fact, you see this stage more clearly in historic forms of in older forms of older forms, you will see the D form, hadurst. You see something like that, hadurst, which nowadays is haturst. Okay. All right. So anyway, just a little note, a little sub note as to and hopefully sometimes these explanations help you remember as well. Okay. So it becomes hurst me, I said, becomes haturst or anturstu. Okay. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So so can we translate these into English? Fakashiv an dunya more.
Did you see a big person?
Yeah, right. Did you see the big person or the big man? Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Oh,
Okay. Okay.
yeah.
A tonic a yaki a rare. So we know cha is did not. Okay.
Did not say.
No, close. Tonic,
Honey.
close to honic, which
Yeah.
come.
He did
Yeah.
not come.
Yeah, did not come.
Did not come outside.
Yaki, home.
He did not come home.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A rare last night.
Oh, last night.
Okay. Nocturani cake. Nocturani.
Didn't he
Did
make
you
a cake?
Yeah, didn't she make cake?
Cake?
Okay, she, okay. Chatran.
No, she didn't.
No, she did not.
Yeah.
Chatran, okay. On kula iat on sgìulachd.
They heard that song?
The story.
Story, no.
Okay. Hakula.
They heard it.
No hakula.
I didn't hear
You
it.
didn't hear it.
Not hear it. Yeah. No, didn't hear it. Okay. So, yeah. And remember, an answer like this serves as a yes or a no. Okay. An jech a minister gan echlis la na sabich.
The minister on the day of Sabbath. I don't know. Yeah,
Jech would be
did
go.
Oh, did go right.
Gan echlis
Church.
church
Church
on
on
the
Saturday.
Sabbath day.
Sabbath day la na sabich. La na sabich. Okay. Kai. Yes, he did. Kai. Okay. Okay. Hanik iet jan skol on J. Hanek.
Did he come to school?
Yeah, they did go to school.
They did go to school.
Anjay.
Yesterday.
Yesterday. Very good. Okay. Chai Shin Shias Yantrai Ersansur La Akin. Chai Shin Shias Yantrai.
We went.
We went Shias Yantrai down to the beach. Try with the beach.
Okay.
Ersansur La. You know what the Sur La is? It's
A special day of some kind.
yeah, a special day. It's a sewer law. It's a free day. It's a holiday.
Mm.
Oh, free day.
Yeah, free day. Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. On Kulatu on Toran Shin.
Did you hear the òran, that song?
Did you?
Yeah, very good. Did you hear that song? Yeah, yeah. Toran Shin. That song. Toran. Okay. On Turstu Rutsambi. On Turstu Rutsambi. On Turst would be,
Did you say?
yeah, did you say? Very good. And then Rutsambi would be anything.
Oh, rude.
Yeah, yeah, Rutsambi. The Sambi is what do you call it? A suffix. I'll make a little note here. Sambi equals suffix. Put on the end or after a word to signify any. So, you know, we have acha, sambi equals any place, dunya, sambi equals
Any people? Anybody?
yeah, anybody, anyone, anybody, any man, okay. Nian sambi, you know,
Any girl?
any girl, yeah, like that. You see, so you know, so you just willy-nilly tag it on to the end of a word and it makes that formulation, you know, any, okay?
How do you change Nian? Because I'm singing Kota More Alicid, and it has Nian, and you have to say Anna Nian, Air Fiddler. And it's hard to say fast.
Oh,
And I wonder what's happening with the sound when you put it all together.
okay. Okay. So are you looking at something on the screen?
No, it's over on my music stand, but I know that word now.
Oh, okay. Okay.
It's a mouth music song.
Okay. Okay. So what is it again? Give it to me slowly.
Hold on. I can hold it up so you can see it.
Okay. Okay.
It's big.
All right. Okay.
Ananian, it's Ananian, Ananian, and on Fiedler. Can you read that?
No.
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 Okay, I'll send it to you. But that's pretty much all the lines are. It's just you have to say air, A-I-R, A and N are on, and air anadol, a faucid. So she's getting married.
Right.
And
what's the name of the song?
it's called Kota More Alicid.
Oh, on Kota. Wait.
And Kota More Alicid.
Alicid.
Alicid. Ealasaid. Elizabeth.
Yalicid. Okay.
Yeah, the Alicid.
Okay. Hold on. Hold on. Let me. Maybe I can just.
Find it.
Yeah. Hold on. Kota
It's
More.
a pertable.
Okay. 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 Yeah. Okay. Hold on. Hold on. I'm gonna share this screen. And I'll just take a look at this. Where'd you go?
I'm coming back. Do you want me to hold it up again?
Yeah, no, well, come here. No, because I'm doing this.
Okay, there it is. That's it. You got it. Those are the words. I just blew them up.
Okay, yeah, okay. So Hakota Mor Yalasach
That's such
Anna Nian on Eler. Okay.
an Eler.
Okay. Uh Anna, daughter of the fiddler.
Yep.
Hakota Mor Yalasach
Yalasach.
Anna do Afosach. Okay. Uh is on Anna, who is going to be married. Dolafosach. Okay. Hakota Mor Yalasach Anna Nian on Eler. Kota Mor Yalasach Anna do Afosach. Okay, so it's saying that Anna is wearing Yalasach's coat as she's going to get married. Okay.
Right.
Okay.
Uncotor Alasach Ananian and Feeler.
An Eler.
An Eler. Okay, you drop that. In Eler.
Yeah.
Okay. Hakotavor Alasach Anna Dola Fosach.
Fosach. Not
Fosach.
but a Fosach.
Fosach.
Okay.
Hakotamor Alasach Ananian and Feeler.
Ian on Eler.
Ananian an Eler, like an eel. Eler.
On Eler.
Hakotamor Alasach Anadol Osich.
Yeah. Okay. Now, this website here, Celtic Lyrics.
That's where I got the words.
Yeah. They, for some reason, they don't take strocks.
Right.
And so the vowels that have a strock are, have this little question mark.
Yes, I got that. They have it here on the page, but they don't have it when it came up on your computer because I printed it out from the same place, but I blew it up.
Uh-huh.
Ananian, 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 and you get Edler.
Okay.
Anadol.
Anna, Nian,
Nian,
Eler.
an Eler.
Yeah.
An Eler.
On
Okay.
Anna, daughter of the fiddler.
Eler. Okay, Eler.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. There.
Anadol a false.
Yeah. Okay. There you go.
Okay, got it. More or less. I'll check it in a week to see if I can do this. Because we have till April 13th to do it at the show.
Okay.
So I'm going to do it with good pronunciation because we're the Scottish Fiddlers of LA and we singers are a little in the unknown area here with them. They don't let people sing very often. So I'm teaching some other people how to say this. So I have to get it right.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. Anyway, so, okay. All right. Okay. So let's go to, okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay. All right. Okay. So here we, now.
I think you need to change the share, I think.
Okay. Change the share. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's, all right. So we'll just do a couple of these. Okay. On Dorain on Dunya Kahar.
Making a old chair?
Yeah.
Fixing an old chair?
Did he make a chair?
Did he make a chair?
Yeah. So this all in the past tense, and you have a picture to help you. Okay. Did he make a chair? Yeah, it looks like a chair to me. Okay. On Jech Iet Jan Far.
Did they go to the park?
Yeah, did they go to the park? And how would you answer yes? Hi.
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 On Tuk on Borenach Erget Ye.
Did she take the money?
Did she give money to her? Yeah.
Did she give money to her?
Yeah, Tuk Ye. Okay, Ye. Yeah. Yes. Hook.
Hi.
Or hook.
Hook.
Yeah. Antanak ambalach yaki.
Did the child go home? Did
Yeah,
the child come home?
come home, yes. And how do you say yes?
Hi again.
No, Hanek.
You don't, Hanik. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, because you repeat the form.
Yeah, you repeat the verb.
Yeah, okay, and Hanik.
Yeah, it's not chi for everything.
Okay.
Yeah, it's you repeat the specific verb. So this is where we change a little bit from what we've done before, and I'm going to come up here. We'll have a okay, yeah, okay. All right, so Hami Adol Gaki, I went home, Avel me Adol Gaki, I am going home. Oh no, am I going home? Okay. And then so you answer the ha form with ha or chaniel. Okay. And so, for the, now we're on lesson 24. So for, 24 weeks or so, we've been answering questions ha and chaniel. No matter what the action is, we've been answering with one form. Ha, yes, or chaniel, no. Now we're entering into new territory in which we've got to change the answer for yes and no. We got to change the word that we use for yes and no. Okay.
So you use the verb.
Yes, you use the verb. You see, because in this form, the helping verb is the action, is the verb that we respond to. In English, this is known as the helping verb. I am going home. Okay. No, I am going. Okay. So that's the helping verb. Okay. And like right here, am I going home? Okay. So we answer, huh, yes. And so we're responding to the verb. Okay. But now we have different verbs to respond to. Okay. All right. Anyway. All right. So Ankula ambalach rutigen. Ankula chula. Yeah. Chula. Okay. Would be the answer. Rutigen would be something.
Did the boy hear something?
Yeah. Did the boy hear something? And again, okay. I'm making another note. Okay. Okay. Igen would be the equivalent of some. So Achigan, so Achigan equals someplace. Dunyagan,
Some people.
yeah, some people.
Or some man.
Some person or man. Yeah, like that. Okay, yeah. So more common is Kuchigan. Okay. So anyway, but you get the idea that igen at the end of a noun signifies something like something. Okay. Okay. So okay. Do Rowan, your choice. Okay. So Hanakiet Hyun Eklish, Hula an Chun Ashain, Hunikiet Jelaf Kluich. Okay. Hanakiet Yun Eklish, they went to a church. Hula on Chun Ashain, they heard a bird singing, or Hunikiet Jelaf Kluich, or they heard a play, or they saw a play. Hunikiet Jelaf Kluich. Which one?
3.
So say it.
Hunikiet Jelaf Kluich.
Very good. Okay. All right. So, so hula ninianen na dunya ashain. Chai eet jan echlish lana sabich. No haturst an dunya rutsambi. So which do you think?
So the second one goes with the top one because it's about the Sabbath. So it goes with going to church.
Yeah, no, they're not going to church. Chayet Yan Eklish, that doesn't, I don't know. I don't know, maybe some sorts of churches, but, you know, but no, hula. So, yes, so we've got with the Beatles and the girls going crazy. So hula nanianin na dunya ashain.
The girls heard a people's song or a folk song?
Yeah, right. Yeah. The people singing, the men singing.
Yeah, the men singing. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Chai amboranach yanavu. Right here. No hanak an chelach hunan trai. No hula I fuyum wavasach dona.
Well, 2 has thry in it.
Hanak an chelach hunan trai. Okay. Yeah. The family came to the beach. Okay. Okay. Hanak an chelach hunan traya. Okay, this right here. Haturstam balak rutsambi. Or hunak an dunya an tune.
The second one.
Which is what? How do you say that?
The boy said something.
Haturst.
Utters. He didn't say something?
Yeah, he didn't say anything. Yeah.
Right.
He didn't say something. He didn't say anything. Haturstam balak rutsambi.
Okay.
There, leva. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So now
We're up to the 3 pigs.
yeah, we'll go to the tree mucan beaga. Okay.
Favorite book.
What's that?
It's my favorite book. It's one of the 2 I've read with you before.
Okay.
My only 2 books.
There you go. Okay. All right. So here we go. So read after me. So lava tree mucan beaga aun.
Lava tree mucan beaga on. Aun.
Aun. Beina hanaman avo va ora.
In Hanuman ava ora.
Straun.
Stround.
Strona.
Stronak.
Shesfak.
Shesfak.
Okay. So one day there were 3 little pigs. Beina hanaman ava ora. It was the names that were on them. Straun, Strona, Shesfak.
Whoops.
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Right. Okay. Okay. Gurik iet kolori amaher. Okay. They lived with their mother, Amaher, their mother. August Fatentauri.
August Fatentauri.
Okay, the whole of the summer. Kluich iet Ansanyor.
Senor.
August Vaiet Nalaya Eden Akak. Okay. So Guriki Kodaria Maher, they lived with their mother. August Fatentauri.
August Fatentauri.
Chluich iet Ansanyor. They played in the grass. Agus va iet Nalaya Eden Akak.
But a lot are an akid.
Uh-huh. It should be non-lia, okay. And they something like and they lay around in the grass, okay. Asantur,
Asantur,
haro e hobla,
ero e oba.
agus school neo glasa an irmont.
Okay, school neo masa ounce and iarmont.
It's an or, okay. In the autumn, in the fall, okay. Haro e hobla.
Haro e obla.
It wasn't as warm.
Wasn't as warm.
As school neo glasa and gray clouds, spread out on irmulch in the sky.
In the sky.
Uh-huh.
Irmulch.
Shmún mi mun gauri.
Shmún mi mun gauri.
Hurst shesvak.
Hurst shesvak.
Okay. So I thought about winter. Hurst shesvak. So there we have one of our
said.
Yes, said shesvak.
Exactly.
Hamifur anju.
Hamifur anju.
I am cold today.
I am cold today.
Savatin.
This
morning. Creamy leshan uak.
Creamy leshan uak.
Okay, I shivered with the cold. Hamiagiri avi toko tai akin.
Hamiagiri avi atogo tai agan.
Akin. Okay. I want to be building a new house of ours for us. Okay.
For us.
Okay. Bishin bla is korsto sagarak.
Bishin bla shakorsto sagarak.
Gaurag. Okay. We will be warm and comfortable in the winter. Okay. Horstel. Okay. Okay. Achatogir angias acha. Avi atoko taya ur.
Avi atoko taya ur.
Okay. But but two of them, two of them didn't want to be building a house, a new house. Unya gior aun. There is plenty of time. Unya gior. Verstronak. Agaurag faterfalov. Winter is far away. Faterfalov. Bishin agal moran spores rea. Okay. We have much fun ahead of us.
Much fun ahead of us.
Huh? Bimi atoko taya ur anjesho.
Bimi atoko tai ur anjesho.
I guess kure kar avulchen.
Kuri kar avulchen.
Uh-huh. And he I will build a house then after this and he did a somersault. Kar avulchen.
Kar avulchen.
Okay. August Misha. First
run.
Uh-huh. And me, Strown said. Okay. Mara Hochershiv, first Sesvak.
Mara Hochershiv, first Sesvak.
Havimi a Furich Orov.
Havimi a Furich Orov.
Bimi a Toko Taya Akam Sahain.
Bimi a Toko Taya
Akam Sahain.
Akam Sahain.
As you wish, Mara Hochershiv, first Sesvak. Shesvak said.
Shesvak said Seamus.
Bimi a Furich Orov.
Mimi Furic Orif.
I will not wait for you on, okay?
Will not wait for you.
I akam sahain.
Mimi a Toggle Tai Agam Sahain.
Okay, I will build my own house. Okay. Gachla gase fuer.
Hakla Gas Floor.
Uh-huh. Each day it grew cold. Acharo straun stronak an kavik.
Karol Strana and Stranig on and Kavak.
Now, but Stron and Stravik weren't in a hurry, an kavik. Haro iet a giri via koper.
Aroviad Agiri
Koper. You know, they didn't want to be working, they didn't want to work. Vaiet lesk.
Iad Lesk
They were lazy. Chlukiet gachla.
Klukiad Gakla
They played every day a hulala.
Ahulala
Oh, I'm sorry. Gachla each day a hulala every day.
Uhula every day.
Bishin a koper amarek.
Rishia Kober Amara
We will work tomorrow. Yinch eat gaiv hain.
is Iad of Hain.
They said to themselves, they told themselves. Ach amarek.
Akmara Obrik Iad.
Okay, but tomorrow didn't work. They didn't work. But tomorrow they didn't want to go parkiet. First eat on route.
Hirsch Iad on route.
They said the same thing as Klukiet Fat and La Shin Kutchuk.
Is Klukiad Fad and La Sin
And they
Uchid.
played all that day too. Okay. Achnur Achotik an Jay an Avon.
Aknur Kuche and Cheg and ounce of it.
And when the ice coated the river, Pushik Angias Vraher Lesk.
Ushik and Chias Brother Lesk.
Began the two lazy brothers, Avia Toko and Tai Aka.
Avia Toggle and Tai Aka.
Okay. The two lazy brothers began to build their house. Okay. All right. So we'll pause there, okay, and come back to this later. Right now, why don't we take a look at our song?
Oh, good. We get to work on two of the songs we're doing, except for Duncan Fiddler.
Yeah, the fiddler. Okay.
Okay. Hummy Ski.
Okay, so this is Hummy Ski.
Smeelam Heen.
Smeelam Heen.
Buinaranet.
Buinaranet. Cutting the bracken. Okay.
Hummy Ski. Smeen Him Lim Heen. Buinaranek Dunnan.
Forever cutting the bracken. And the bracken is a kind of fern-like growth, very rough, that the people used to use for a number of things. Sometimes burn it and use it to fertilize their fields, and sometimes use it to thatch the roofs of their cottages. Okay. So Trikavami Heen Smolenin.
Say the first part. That's hard. The streak. What does the S do with the streak? Streak avami hin molenin.
And when you see this, the apostrophe S, okay, you just add the S to the following word. So it'd be
Smolenin.
Smolenin, yeah, Smolenin. Okay.
Okay, streak of avami hin smolenin.
Right.
Well, that helps a lot. Okay, ons and Glennon.
Glaunen Keher.
Glaunen Keher.
Okay. The misty glens on Glaunen
Keher.
Okay.
Shishtik.
Deshtik kosher.
Kosher.
Geistig, kosher veen andor.
Bean and Dora.
Okay, listening to the sweet song or the sweet choir of the forest, of the grove of trees. And this g here, that's ek, like a geistig. But notice how it is contracted, so it becomes geistig.
Geistig kosher
Kosher
Veen
veen andor.
and Dora.
Shane Nacholia Goil.
Shane South Colia Do.
Goil. Okay. Singing in the right here they have corpulent was probably lush would be in the lush forest.
Okay.
Okay. Hamiskis milumhain milumhin. Hamiskis milumhin. I am tired and I alone. Buin naranek,
Moronic.
cutting the breath.
Mamiski. Smilim Bean.
He
Winneralek
buin
Donut.
naranek donen.
Donen.
Forever cutting the bracken. Onam fechen
Oh.
to achian.
Oh, two of our verbs. Onam fekin. Hu atigan.
To achian.
Hu achian.
Okay. If I saw you coming, if I would see you coming, ruin go not whole.
Another verb. Huin ho nach holo.
I would run to meet with you. Okay.
So say that one again.
Ruin go not whole.
Na hole.
Okay, not whole.
Na hole.
Your chick who
Or check to who.
go gum here.
Show them shreed.
Show gum here. But if you did not come here to search for me, okay, mutter means if not, okay. Kimmer Achilles Gokus.
Kimmer Achilles Dochus.
How can hope return? Okay. Kimmer Achilles Gokus. And then again the chorus of
Achilles Dochus.
Ilumhin, Buin Naranek, Amiskis Milumhin, Buin Naranek Donan. Okay.
The Kulan Toman, Brian Toman, Kulan Toman. Let's see, I forgot the last line.
Okay.
Bodek. Bodek. Yeah, Boyek.
Voyek.
Boyek.
Voyek.
Boyek.
The V of Voyek.
Boyek.
And Brian Toman.
Kuliladan owner.
Hulala nam owner. Every day, all alone, all by myself. Okay. Okay. So behind the knoll, on top of the knoll, you know, the knoll, the little hill, Kulan Toman Voyek. Behind.
Boyek.
Yeah. And cool means in various ways behind or in the back of. And then Hamiskis milumhin, Buin Naranek, Hamiskis milumhin, Buin Naranek Donan.
Donan.
Ounce on Chian, Ogerskimi.
Streak Mokri.
And the
Malina.
Ogerskimi.
Ogerskimi.
It is tired that I will be. Istrich Mokri Galianoch.
Streak Mokri Gali.
And often my heart is wounded. Kri would be my heart. Galionach, okay.
On it.
Nervis kach ashain nan lunik.
Nervis kach chain alune.
Okay, when others sing their songs, hajen mish akronan.
Hajen mish akronan.
I will do or I can do nothing but moan. Okay, so now this is a little unusual song because this is sung by the fairy. You see, so the fairy's singing this because the fairy is in love with a human and she's not coming. He's doing all the work and she's not coming. And out on Chian, Skurskimi, in the fairy hill. Okay. So he's hanging out with all the other fairies, and all the other fairies are singing their songs, and he can't do anything but moan. A Jen Mish Akronen. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Okay. So, and then I have I'll stop the share and I'll come back and we'll sing it. I have let's see, to share the screen. Hold on a second. Okay.
There's one simple hearing hack anyone can use to improve their hearing almost overnight.
Hit it with a spoon.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So we got where are we now? I got to do the share. Okay. Yeah, okay. Do the share sound. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. So try this. Okay.
This is really well done.
Okay. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'll play it at half speed, not half speed, 3/4 speed, to get us up to speed, and then we'll go through it again at regular speed. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Okay. So.
And then you're going to put this up on the web this week so I can play with those things. Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you have the link in the lesson that I sent you as well.
Okay, good. Okay.
All right. Okay. So hold on one second. Playback speed 75. Okay. All right. Okay. Here we go.
Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan, Strich gewa mi hin smolennen, außerlaunen hjauher, Geistjoch kosher vin an deure, scheinse chilje jovel. Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan. Honam feichen nu a chien ruyen hol nat choal. Achmer chigun shogam hirich kimmer hilis doches. Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan. Kulan tom mein Brian tom mein Kulan tom mein Voyoch. Kulan tom mein Brian tom mein Hulle wana moner. Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan. Spock nach Romi latterischt, Schiene wie ich kjolver, Rachin latke kulne krunje vartunje sjolig. Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan. Haunsen schien noger skimi, strik mochri galionig, nur wies kache scheinen lunjag, Chadjian mishach kronan. Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich, Hamiskis milum hin, buin ranich dönan.
Okay, so we'll try it one more time at normal speed. So let's hit it.
Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan, strike var mi hin smollennen, ausse glaunen hjauher, geistjoch kosher vin an deure, scheinse chilje jovel. Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan. Honam feichen nu a chien, ruien hol nat choal, achmer chigun shogam hirich, kimmer hilis doches. Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan. Kulan tom mein Brian tom mein, kulan tom mein voyoch, kulan tom mein Brian tom mein hulle wana moner. Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan. Spock nach Romi latte rischt, skinner wie ich kjolver, rachin lat gekul na krunje, var tunje sjolig. Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan. Hounsan sheehan oger skimi, strik mochri galionig, nur vies kache scheinen lunjag, chajian mishach kronan. Hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich, hamiskis milum hin, buine ranich dönan.
Okay, there we go. We have all these ads on YouTube. Our vision, improve our hearing. Okay. Okay. All right. Well, there we go. Okay. So any questions?
No, I like slowing it down and speeding it up because it makes for more strength and it kind of anchors the sounds.
Yeah. You can concentrate on the sound of the words, and then and then get the natural rhythm, the natural pacing. So anyway, all right. All right. Well, okay. Well, so Himishiv and I hechen. I will see you all next week. Okay. So
Okay.
yeah, and remember, I'll be here for the Thursday short Thursday conversation session if anybody wants to check in. All right.
I'm going to do more after concert, but I've got to learn these songs for the concert on the 13th of April. So I'm going to do it as I can do it, but I'm loving this. This is so much fun. Thank you.
Yeah.
Marsudlet.
Dankjewel.
Dankjewel. Dankjewel, Mehu.